amazing, Amaya. So today we're going to be talking about pop sockets and phone cases. So have you ever were just like chilling on the bed, doing your Musical.ly, scrolling, do some random stuff, and then randomly your phone just falls on you? Am I the only one? Yeah, I don't think so. Or have you like seen those like really cute phone cases in like sock pockets, but they're like $20, $30? Like no one got time for that. Like no one has that much money. So don't worry, guys. I got you covered. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make phone cases and pop sockets. Okay, guys. So for my birthday, I got a new phone, and man, it's really expensive for like all these like phone cases, like pop sockets. So you know what? I'm gonna make my own. So I got this like Galaxy printout which was like 50 or something cents. So and I got this like fidget spinner that was like $1, and this like old lipstick cap that I got is so yeah. And I got this like glue gun that we're gonna use to glue it together and stuff. And I got this plain clear phone case that I got for like $2, not that much. So yeah, let's get right on to it. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do, take your plain clear phone case and take your Galaxy or printout, and you want to take a pen or a pencil and you want to trace it. So just tracing it so when we put it in the phone case, it's gonna be like nice and well together and stuff. So now all you want to do is take your scissors and cut it out, the things that you traced. Okay guys, so once you're done cutting it out and stuff, we're just gonna place it in the clear phone case. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like when it's all done. So there's always going to be like this piece for your camera, so make sure you guys go ahead and cut that out. Guys, this is how it looks like with my phone, and guys, it looks really cool. Like I think it looks really cool. Like even without the fidget spinner, I think it looks cool, but I think we're gonna add the fidget spinner. Just saying. Okay, guys. So once your glue gun is all heated up, all you want to do is grab your cap from your like lipstick or something. You're gonna put like a big circle on your phone case. Put your top on and just hold it down for a minute. Okay guys, so here's the cool part. We're gonna take our fidget spinner and we're gonna put some glue on the hot glue on here, and then after we're gonna stick it on. Gonna put it on. Gonna stick it in, and then let it secure in, just like that. And now we're gonna spin it. So yeah, guys, this is the phone that we just DIY'd. So what do you guys think? I think it's pretty cool. I really recommend you should try it. It's less than $5 and less than 5 steps. And now you come back to your friends because you cannot find these in stores. Okay guys, so for the second DIY phone case, we're going to be needing stickers, which I got for $2. And I'm going to be using this diamond doorknob, which I got from Walmart, and I got it for like 97 cents. So I got this pink phone case, plain phone case. So yeah, we're gonna get straight onto it. Okay guys, so first you're gonna take this the diamond doorknob and we're gonna put it right in the middle of the phone, or whatever you want to put it. And I'm gonna take this random sticker and I'm gonna do like this dog with the like rainbow poop on it. I think it's really pretty funny and cute. So you could just put a whole bunch of different ones. So I'm just gonna also do this. I do not care. It like says I do not care. I think that's pretty cool too. I was gonna use this one that says like Friday, but I didn't want to do it because it's not Friday every single day, you know. But I wish it was. Kind of wish it was. There's an adorable pig. This pig is pretty adorable. I mean, I don't have a lot of space. I might move something. I might move this so it could fit. Wait, I'm gonna put. Oh wait, let me see. If I can put the do not care right here, and then I'll put the dog right here, and the pig. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of random stickers. I don't really have a lot of space, so I'm just gonna. Okay, so once you're done putting the stickers on and placing your doorbell, your doorknob, all you want to do is take your hot glue gun, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. I think that is good enough. So yeah, now we're gonna put the doorknob. Gonna stick it on there. So yeah, guys, I think it's pretty cool, and that's how you turn a plain old pink phone case into something amazing like this. So we have 4 more phone cases I want to show you guys, so let's get right onto it. Okay guys, so for this next DIY, we're going to be using an iron-on patches, a wooden doorknob, and yellow spray paint, or this is optional because we're going to be spray painting it on the wooden doorknob and a Sharpie. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be using a plastic bag to put my doorknob on. So we're going to be shaking this real quick. So now we're going to spray paint it on. I don't want to get a mess, so that's why we're putting the plastic bag. Whoa. This smells bad, terrible. We're gonna keep doing it. So I think that's pretty good. Okay, so you're gonna take your jean cutout and you're gonna put you can do whatever initials you want. I just did A and J. You can put whatever you want. This is optional. And so now you're gonna iron it. So you can iron it. So, and you just heat it up. So once you're done ironing it like that, you're gonna put the jeans into the phone case. So this is what it looks like with the phone, and I think we're gonna jazz it up a little bit with the pop socket. Now we're going to take our yellow doorknob that we spray painted yellow earlier, and we're going to put it in the middle or wherever you want to put it, and we're going to hot glue. Okay. So when you're done with that, now all you want to do is put the doorknob right in the middle, wherever your hot glue. Okay guys, so while that's drying, we're gonna use our Sharpies, and I got red and black because I'm doing like a heart emoji. That's nice. Okay, so I got the heart eyes. I'm gonna color it in now. I'm gonna get it outside. Okay, so I'm done with the first heart, coloring it in. Now I'm gonna move on to the second one. Okay, So I'm done with both of the hearts. I got a little bit outside, but that's fine. Now I'm gonna do the black one, so I can do the mouth. So I think I'm gonna do red for the tongue. And then I'm gonna color the rest black. So hopefully the black doesn't smudge in with the red. That's turning pretty good so far. Doing this very slowly. Okay, so I'm done with that, and I think it looks actually really good. I'm surprised. Here's put my phone on it, and here's the final product. And I think it looks really nice, very simple. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna take a few selfies. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below which one was your favorite one. The emoji one, the galaxy one, or the sticker one. So yeah, comment down below. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. Until next time, guys, peace. No cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable.